Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 311. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this row now, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8. No help here. 2, 5, 8. Same here. 2, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8, and the 7 can't be here. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 5, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 5, 9. And no help here, 3, 5, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 8. We've got 2, 4, and 7 here. So this is our 8. 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 2, 7. And with that 8, we can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 4 here, so this is our 9. That 9 makes this our 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. Now the only place the 9 can be in this column is here. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 3, 6. And with that 3, we can get rid of this 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. That 5 and 8 makes this our 2. And we can get rid of this 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 8, 1. That 8 makes this our 5, 8, 5. And that 5 makes this our 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 3, 1. And for this box we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.